Once we have PHP available in our system through XAMPP, we are going to be able to install Composer. For this, we just need to go to download Composer, of course. And there we are going to find a download link for our Windows operating system. In the case that you are not on Windows, you just need to copy those lines in order to install Composer in your system. Please be sure that you are able to use the PHP command to avoid any kind of problem during this installation. In the case of Windows, we just need to click here to download, just click down to install, click on next. We need to choose the PHP location. In case that you don't have it by default, just go to browse and select the location of your PHP file. Then click on next. If you need it, you need to configure a proxy. And finally proceed with the installation. Be sure that you have the 7.1.1 version of PHP installed to avoid any kind of problem with the future classes due to the PHP version. Proceed with installation. And when it is done, we just need to go to our command prompt and verify. There, if we issue Composer, we can see how the command has been recognized, and in the case of PHP, if we try to obtain the version, we can see how the PHP command was recognized, and additionally that the PHP version is the 7.1.1. We are done now with installation of Composer, and PHP has been already installed, but now we can use PHP on our command line additionally with Composer. See you in the next class.